Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Indian Bro Code. So today I will be explaining you the SQL concept. Today I learn a SQL project with the help of Zero Analyst YouTube channel. So that channel that project based on the Netflix dataset. In this Netflix dataset, we have 15 business problems. So these are the 15 business problems. First one is count the number of movies and TV shows. Find the most common rating for movies and TV shows. These are the so today I will solve only 5 questions, and next upcoming video I will solve the rest of the questions. So first I will open the Excel sheet which we have data in the CSV file. So this is the CSV file Netflix. So I will show how many rows and columns are there. So this is exactly the table which we have. So this is the table which we have. So ID, type, title, director, release year, duration listed in descriptions, and all these things are here. So copy all of them. So here, so this is how it is. So what I need to do, I will analyze this data with the help of SQL. So for analyzing the data, what I need to do, I open the PG admin tool, that is database management software by PostgreSQL. So I open this tool. So first thing what I need to do, I just create the database. I will create the database with the name of Netflix. So I given a name of database Netflix. So I created the database. So I already created it. So I created the database. So what I need to do, I need to refresh it. So I need to refresh it. So in this Netflix database, I have to create table because I have to import that data. So for that I need to open the query tool. So this is the query tool where we will write our SQL query to retrieve the data according to our questions. So for doing that I need to create the schema for the table. So what do you mean by schema? Schema is the structure of the table, like how many columns are there, what are the columns are there. So I have to define the column and what exactly the data types in that particular column. So for doing that, I already write it down the query in my GitHub profile. So I just copy the query and paste it over there. So this is exactly the query. So I will copy the query and paste it here. So first query is what we have, drop table is like this. If Netflix table is already exist in this database, so first we will check that if that is there. So we need to drop it. We need to delete it. Notice table Netflix does not exist. Keeping drop. So that's why there is no table Netflix is there. So that's why it's keeping the drop table command. So for creating a table, so in creating the table we have how many columns are there. So ID varchar 5 character, type varchar 10 character, title varchar director, varchar casts, country, dated, release year, rating, duration, listing, and description. These are the columns are there, and we need to create this table. For creating this table, we just click all the command and just fit it. One more thing which we can do, we need to press F5. After pressing the F5, create table. Query returned successfully in 219 milliseconds. So let me explain. So this way you can see this is my. I will see the table is created or not. So what we can do, we can refresh it from here, and when we refresh it, so we go into schema. We have table. So this is the table which we have, and if you want to see the column, so we can see the column from here as well. And if you want to see the column from this query, so select start from Netflix. and run the query. So this is the table and these are the things which we have created. So we have only sample table. We don't have any data. So for importing the data, what we need to do? We need to importing the data. So for importing the data, I just right click here, import and export data, and this is how I just select the folder. So this is our Netflix CSV file, and after that we click on that button. So this is the preview process, and after this is complete. One more time I will run this query, so we will see all the data are imported in table. So we clearly see that all the data is imported in this table. So we will solve one by one every question. We can zoom it. These are the for we will see what is the question number 5. We will go our this profile. These are the Netflix questions which we have created. Count the number of movies and TV shows. For doing that, what we need to do? We need to run a command. So I just copy this question. I pasted here. Copy. Okay. So what we need to do? We need to count the number of TV shows, and if we re-verify, like we imported data, all the data is imported or not, so we need to count the rows. For counting that, select count star from Netflix. Select this and press F5. So we have 8807 records are there, and we come to the Excel sheet, just Control Shift down. So we also have 8808 because this also includes the header as well. So if we exclude the header, so it will be the same as which we imported in. This is 8807. Same column, same the row ID, count of row ID is the same. So that means we imported all the data from the Netflix CSV file which we have. So solving the first question, count the number of movies and TV shows versus TV shows. Select type. Why type? Because type have movies and TV shows. Type comma count star from Netflix. And if we use the aggregate function, so we need to use group by 1, group by type, group by 1. So here we will run this query and we will see what count. One moment. Okay, what exactly the problem which we have? We do not separate it with the comma. That's why we face error. So we put the star here. So this is how it is. When we run this query, so it will give the result. So this is here. Movie have 6131 records count and TV shows at 2676. We clearly see that movies are more in number and TV shows are less in number. Means more than double records are there in the movies, and TV shows have only 2676 records. So this is how we solve the first question. We will go with the second question. What is the second question? We have a second question. We have find the most common rating for movies and TV shows. We need to find out the most common rating for movies and TV shows. So first we need to select the table, records from table. We need to copy the question. Point it out. First we need to select all the records from libraries. So I just run this query. So what we want to find out, find the most common rating for movies. So for solving this question, we need to count the rating as per movie and TV shows, and we will select the most rated movie or TV shows from that. So for doing that, we will see where is the rating column. We rated we are rating. This is rating. So we need to count the rating. Different ratings are there. So maximum ratings will be the most common rating will be there. So for doing that, we select only type, comma, count, rating, some matrix, group by 1, order by 2, and limit 5. So select करना है हमको. We need to select type means movies and so and count the rating from Netflix. Firstly we need to group by type, and then order by 2, order by counting, DESC and limit 5. 5 records are the highest to lowest. So after running this, you will see what actually result we got. So we need to use type as well as rating. Group by 1, 2, 3, and you will see. So this is the second question. We will solve the next question. open then data. We have to list all the money released in fiscal year 2020. We will solve this question. So we got the data. So we'll see only release year were 2020. So this is the thing. We filter the data based on the release year. So we solve the third question. So we will solve the upcoming question.